Jianshin has established independent processing and assembly plants, both for chain and wheel products. In total, there are about 40 sets of fully automatic CNC lathes. In the painting workshop, we complete several different varieties of spray painting and drying operations according to clients' requirements. Jianshin constantly strives for the ideal degree of automation and standardization of production lines. In our heat treatment factory, CNC technology is employed both for the medium-frequency induction hardening and ultrasonic induction surface hardening processes. This automatic production line is mainly used for processing bulldozer blade and end bit. It is a leading one in Chinese industry in terms of production efficiency.